how to choose the right wallpaper that fits your phone display resolution. All right, guys, so let's walk around and let me show you how to do that. All right, please like this video, subscribe to this channel so you get notified whenever I come up with a new video. Yeah, the first thing you need to do, you need to download the app called Telegram. Yeah, download the app called Telegram on your phone. All right, app called Telegram. Download it. Yes, right here, Telegram. Just download it. And also download the app called Reddit. Yeah, this is the app right there, Reddit. Those two apps, all right, because the wallpaper, most of them are coming from Reddit and Telegram. Okay? All right, so the first wallpaper after downloading your Telegram, open it. I'm going to put the link in the description, guys. Okay, so just type this link. All right, just follow the way you see it on the screen, guys. Okay, HTTP forward slash, all right, then T dot me forward slash EZ in capital letter E EZ war was. All right, so you can see it on the screen. Yeah, immediately you type this on the search bar, or when I put it in the description, just click on the link. It will take you directly to the person's page. Yeah, the group where you can download a lot of wallpaper, all right, that would fit your phone resolution. Okay, so there is it on the screen, so just tap on it to open it. Boom. Yeah, you can see a lot of wallpaper right here, guys. Yeah, these are all the wallpaper. You can see it. You can see a lot of wallpaper. Yeah, yeah, to download it, just tap on this, tap on it. All right, guys, it's done downloading, then you open it. Whoa, you see for yourself, this is the wallpaper. Boom, yeah. All right, notes. Then next thing you need to do, go to the group, all right, the person's profile. Go there, okay. Then tap on files, and you get more wallpapers. All right, okay, guys. So you can see, man, you can get this wallpaper as well. These are all free. Okay. All right. The next wallpaper we are getting is straight right on Reddit. All right. Like I said, download the app. Yeah, download Reddit. Look at it there. Download Reddit. Download Reddit. Download Reddit. Then tap on it. All right. When you tap on it, you go to the search bar. All right. When you go to the search bar, just type in, the link will be in the description. All right. Just type in I wallpaper. I wallpaper. Yeah, it's already there. It has popped up. Yeah, you can see it. I wallpaper. The arrow mean Reddit wallpaper. All right. So just tap on it. Boom. Just wait for it to load. Yeah, there are a bunch of wallpaper right here, guys. Oh my God. There are a bunch of wallpaper. You look at them. Yeah. So a lot of wallpaper, yeah, which you can download that will fit the resolution of your phones. Okay. All right. Let me take you to the next wallpaper. Yeah. Right on the same Reddit. Okay. Right on the same Reddit. Okay. So just type in iPhone wallpaper. Just type in iPhone wallpaper. iPhone wallpaper. Yeah, it has already popped up. You can see it on the screen. Just tap on it. It will open. Wait for it to load. And you see, just walk around. You'll see a bunch of wallpaper that you will love, that will fit the resolution of your phone. There are a bunch of wallpaper, guys. Look at them. Wallpaper, there are a bunch of wallpaper. All you got to do to download it is tap on it. Yeah, when you tap on it, all right, it will give you access to download the wallpaper. So guys, these are all the wallpaper you can download for free, guys. So if this video helps you out, please like this video, share the video to your friends, all right, that need to pop up their phones, all right, with wallpapers. Share the video, like the video, and don't fail to subscribe to this channel. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Peace.